Hey, Adam Lentz here, Sales and Operations Manager at Technical Associates. Just wanted to do a quick summary of our conference we went to the Reliability Conference in Seattle, Washington this past week, actually in Bellevue. It was a great conference. We were part of an expo hall of maybe 50 to 60 vendors. Got a chance to see some really great speakers, asset managers, reliability leaders, things like that. So we had a really great time. We had a lot of visitors at the booth. Thank you for coming by if you did. Hopefully we'll be reaching out to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You had Eric, who was our senior analyst that was with us. We had Jim Barry, who was our president as well. We're going to be at the next one in December, which is the IMC Reliability Conference. And that's going to be in Marco Island, Florida, I believe. Our president, Jim Barry, I believe he's going to probably be doing some speaking there regarding vibration analysis, motion amplification, things like that. So look forward to that. It's going to be a much bigger event and a lot more people there. So we look forward to seeing you.